How to make a website contact form like this one. This is a self-hosted contact form, which means you don't need to register with a third party to process the form. This is a PHP script that you host yourself. Okay, suppose you have this web page here. Contact, it's a web page with nothing on it presently. You want to add a contact form to it. So first of all, we're going to go to diyform.me and get a PHP script to process the form, which also includes code to make this contact form you see here. So we just hit the download button. We download the script, which is just one file. It's a PHP script, diyform.php. We open it up, and in the script itself it has the instructions to install the form. So you've got three instructions. Put the form on your web page, enter your email address, upload the files to your webspace. So first of all, we're going to copy the code from the instructions here, which is this part. This is the code for the form that will appear on the web page, so we copy that. This is the code for the contact page on the website. So this is the code for the web page, contact.html, which is the web page here, contact.html. And we're going to put the form code into the web page where we want the form to appear. We want the form to appear underneath this contact heading. So we go into the web page, there's our contact heading, and we paste in the form code like so. We save the web page, then we go back into the script, diyform.php. We scroll down a bit, we come to this line, my email. Enter the email address to send the contents of the form to, like so. Then save the script, and that's it. That's all the configuration that you need to do to the script. Next is step 3. Step 3, upload the files to your webspace. I'm using an FTP client here, WinSCP, and we upload the two files that we have just edited, contact.html, which is the web page, and diyform.php, which is the form processing script. So you upload those to your webspace, and that's it. Your form is now on your web page and is ready to use. When you upload the files to your web space, you will now have this contact form on your web page. And we shall demonstrate it. Demo man, that's me. Email, there's a fictitious one, mail@example.com. Message. Thank you very much. We hit the send button. Message received. The script will send an email to the email address that you entered in the script configuration. Thank you for watching.